In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable IDM vertical bar Internet Download Manager extension in Google Chrome browser. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go back to the Manage Extensions page. On the Manage Extensions page, look for the extension called IDM Integration Module. If IDM is installed correctly on your system, this module should appear in your list of extensions. When you find IDM Integration Module, click on Details. The Details section is useful because it gives you more control over how the extension works inside Chrome. Now, check the main toggle switch for the extension. Make sure that this switch is turned on. If the toggle is off, the extension is disabled, which means IDM will not integrate with Chrome and may not capture downloads as expected. When the toggle is on, Chrome allows the extension to run, and IDM should be able to function normally in the browser. This is an important setting to verify if the IDM extension is not working, not showing up, or not detecting downloads. Simply turning the extension back on can often fix the issue right away. If the switch is already enabled, that confirms the extension itself is active in Chrome. Once that is done, the extension is successfully enabled in Google Chrome. That means Internet Download Manager should now be ready to work with your browser and assist with downloads. That covers everything you need to know.